Are you looking for the best dashcams? In this video we will look at some of the best dashcams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Vantrue N4. 3-channel front inside rear dash cam for car closed black lens bracket. The N4 is a triple-channel dash cam that offers a 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees inside the camera, and 160 degrees rear camera. It can simultaneously monitor the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle while providing audio at 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p, protecting you from potential accidents and liability issues. Open black lens bracket 4K and 1080p front and rear dual dash cam. Close black lens bracket when set to the front and rear dual recording mode. The cam provides a 4K 2160p resolution front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The rear cam is easily 360 degrees adjustable with a 20 feet extension cable, and it works well for cars, SUVs, Jeeps, and trucks. When used alone, the front camera can seamlessly record up to 4K, enabling clear capturing of license plates and road signs. Open black lens bracket 1440p and 1440p front and inside dual dash cam. Close black lens bracket. You can configure the settings to record the front and interior of your whole cabin in 1440p plus 1440p high resolution. The adjustable inside camera ensures more flexibility and better viewing, ideal for rideshare drivers that may need to present proof of activities within the vehicle. Open black lens bracket, infrared night vision car camera for drivers. Close black lens bracket with high-performance Sony STARVIS CMOS sensor. A big f1.4 aperture 6 glass lens observing the road front, f1.86 glass lens observing the rear. This car camera is able to increase exposure automatically in dark situations for capture clear videos footage. 4 IR LED lights facing the car cabin, which can accurately capture the driver and passengers even when the cabin is completely dark. Perfect for rideshare drivers such as Uber, Lyft, and taxi. Number 2. Azdome M550. Now you can record crisp 4K videos with Azdome dash cam's revolutionary 6-glass wide-angle lens with proprietary focal length technology powered by Novatek 96670 chipset processor and GC4653 and Sony IMX307 and GC2053 ultra-low light capture sensor. This cutting-edge technology allows high-quality recording even from far-off places. The effective distance that can clearly identify the license plate number is within 6 meters. The built-in wide dynamic range (WDR) technology helps capture optimum lighting and image details in both bright and dark conditions. So, be it day or night, view road signs and license plates vividly. It also enables smart accident monitoring as it gets activated when an impact takes place and records videos up to 1 minute. The device also allows you to record exceptional time-lapse videos. Experience next-level recording with 4K UHD videos at 3840x2160p. Backed by Novatek NT96670 processor and a best-in-class GC4653 and Sony IMX307 and GC2053 ultra-low light capture sensor. The ultra-wide-angle lens allows 150 degrees field of view that easily covers 4 lanes and captures distortion-free images. Number 3. DDPAI Mini. For the features it packs, the DDPAI Mini is arguably the most compact and portable dashcam you can get on AliExpress. That portability comes at a cost, though. This doesn't ship with an integrated display. You'll have to control it with your mobile phone. But the discreet design is something that might interest some, and it certainly interests me. Having a dashcam that sits pretty without being noticed has its perks. It leaves your windshield and headliner less cluttered, and since it's out of view, it's less likely to be stolen or tampered with in the event of an accident. Integrated display aside, the Mini 5 ships with all the other customary dashcam tech you'd expect at this price point. You get wireless connectivity to your smartphone, GPS, collision sensing and, interestingly, an inbuilt 64GB storage system, which means you don't need an SD card to use this dashcam. Number 4. 70mm A800s. The A800S uses 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses with f1.8 aperture and Sony IMX415 sensor that process frames to deliver images with better clarity and vividness. The A800S pushes the limits of image quality with industry's highest resolution standard up to 4K Ultra High Definition of 3840*2160p. Delivering incredibly clear frames when you are on a road trip. The A800 uses an f1.8 aperture lens with 3D DNR, dynamic noise reduction, technology and smart AI algorithm to reduce image noise. This gives the A800S outstanding low-light performance, delivering clear images during any time of day or under certain weather conditions. Monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed, kilometer per hour, mph, and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. Keep monitoring when you ASRI away. The built-in G sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary, and will automatically start recording to capture any potential incidents. If an emergency video is recorded, the dash cam will notify you through voice alert once it's turned back on. Number 5. Sameuo U2000. Night vision technology. The dashboard camera will capture clear videos and image footage even in low-light night conditions. Plus Accutance. Stop other LINGHT to correct the color, improve penetration, contraction of light mobile app picture in picture shows videos noted. The rear camera is optional. Please order as your request. With this parking monitoring mode, a hardwire needs to link your car battery. Once someone vibrate your car and impact reaches the G sensor lever, the dash cam will power on automatically and record one short video. Lock it and save it. The footage of event will be stored separately in event files, avoiding being erased. The video is effective proof to protect your car. Please connect the smart hardwire kit to activate the parking mode. So please order Sameuo hardwire cable in this link. https skeptical smiley face www.aliexpress.com/item/10050026118711039.html. You also can order the dash cam which include a hardwire cable.